If you are still working in AutoCAD the old way, you are wasting time, energy, and money. Manual drafting, repetitive commands, same corrections again and again. That workflow is dead. Welcome to Smart AutoCAD AI-powered workflow mastery. In this course, I will show you how professionals are using AI tool to control AutoCAD, not struggle with it. You will learn how to generate AutoCAD LISP using AI without any coding, without any programming experience. I will personally guide you to create your first working LISP, step by step, based on your real daily tasks. I have already built more than 200 plus production-ready LISP tools for layers, blocks, text, automation, and full workflow system. You will learn how to create the same logic, not just copy commands. You will see how AI create realistic building images in seconds, how to convert AutoCAD 2D into 3D in photorealistic visual in just seconds, and how AI understand building codes and standard to support smarter designing and drafting decision. This course also shows how to design your own LISP system, custom tools that work exactly the way you work. No wasted clicks, no repeated effort. Without AI, AutoCAD work is slow. With AI, AutoCAD become a machine. Now the time to make AutoCAD work for you. This is not just a course, this is a career upgrade. If you want speed, control, and authority over AutoCAD, build your first working LISP with me. I will see you in the course. Ongoing, we are covering 100-day LISP routine challenges. We will create 100 LISP routine as per real challenges. This is the world's most practical AutoCAD AI mastery course. Join now and stop working hard, start working smart.